Hi Villamorians! Welcome to our Brigada Eskwela Pagbasa 2021. This is Teach Lindy once again, who's going to help you develop your skills in reading comprehension as well as your communication skill. So, I hope you watch the video and learn from what I am going to share with you in this video. There are many reading skills that will help improve our comprehension. In this video, I picked the most interesting one. Actually, you already have this. It's just that maybe you don't know how to really do this or how to come up with good judgment based on the text. Okay, so what do you see on the screen? Yeah, it's a word puzzle. Can you guess what's the meaning? Correct. That means reading between the lines. So reading between the lines means you understand what someone really means or what is really happening in the situation, even though it's not said openly. Okay, so that reading between the lines is the technique that we use in the reading skill making inferences. So, where do we base our inferences? These are based on what you already know or the what we called prior knowledge. Another basis of inferences is the clues on the text or the text evidence. So let me give you examples. The first example is Cheska was served with Korean dish. Her face turned red after tasting it. So, what can you infer from those sentences or from the text? We can say that the Korean food is what? Yeah, spicy. So, what are the clues or your prior knowledge in this text? First, we know that Korean foods are mostly spicy. And when somebody's face turned red after eating something, that means that the food that she has eaten is spicy. I hope you got it. Okay, so here is another example. Carla honed her skill in cooking native snack during the pandemic. Now, she has a mini store where customers flocked. So, what can we infer from this text? We can say that Carla was successful in honing or improving her talent. Or we can say that because of her honed skill, she is now very successful. Okay, so why do you think it is important that we know this skill, making inferences? Yeah, so that we can provide better judgment or correct judgment in a given situation. Because we always apply inferential skills in our daily life. So, if we know how to do this, we will not just jump into conclusion, but draw conclusion from the basis of prior knowledge and the evidences or the clues that we get out of the situation. So, that's all for today. I hope I gave you something to, think over and develop your skill. Try reading now and be making inferences is just like you are a spy or you are an investigator. And I know you like that. So, I'm encouraging everyone to start reading and let's play this inferential skill. Bye bye bye. Until next video, don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel, Teach Lindy, if you want to learn more about, improving your skills in reading and speaking English. That's all. Bye bye bye. Stay safe, everyone.